If your computer dies, it's an awful feeling. You can lose months or even years worth of data, files, pictures. I can't get you a new computer, but I can get you 15 gigabytes of free storage. Here's how. I'm on Google and I've set up a free Gmail account. So when you set up your Gmail account, you may just think it's just Gmail, right? If I click on this Gmail button, you'll see here I've got my Gmail set up and you might just think it's just Gmail, right? But if you click on this Google Apps button right here, you're going to see a whole bunch of different things that are going to pop up that you can use. And one of them is Drive. So this is G Drive. Instead of Gmail, click on G Drive. And what will happen is you've got 15 gigabytes of storage. And you can upload files and even whole folders into this drive. And this drive sits on the cloud. So you can access this anywhere in the world as long as you can log in to your Gmail account. So it's pretty easy to upload a file. You're just going to click on this new button here on the left-hand side, and you're going to have an option here to create a new folder if you want. So I'm going to click create a new folder, and I'll call this important stuff, and I'll click create. Okay, so now I've got a folder sitting inside my drive called important stuff. If I double click on it, you'll see there's nothing there, but I can upload files now into this folder. So I'll click the new button again, and I can go in here to file upload right there. So you can upload files right into G Drive. They could be Excel files, Word files, even graphics files. So here I've got some graphics files that I want to upload. Now I can select one file and then I can select open, and that will upload the file right into my G Drive. Or I can go new, file upload, and I can hold down the shift key as I select them, and I can select more than just one. And now I'll select open. And now the computer's uploading a bunch of files to my G Drive. It just takes a little bit of time depending on your internet connection. You can also view these files. Just simply double click on any one of the files that you can see. So I'll double click on this one right here and we'll see that it pops open. You can also scroll through these files by just moving the right arrow key or the left arrow key on your computer. You can see there it says 6 uploads complete. I'll just close out of that window there. Once you get a lot of files set up, it may look a little bit weird when you click on the home button. There could be a bunch of stuff sitting here. Just make sure to click on this My Drive and you'll see all the different folders that you've got set up. And as you can see down at the bottom, this shows me how much of my 15 free gigabytes I've used. Now you can always buy more storage if you want, but you can also just set up another Gmail account for free and get another 15 gigabytes for free. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. G Drive is free, 15 gigabytes, can't go wrong. Here's another video where you can have some fun using some free stuff.